My name is Khushbu. I'm a product manager at HILTI North America. I'm here to talk about the new HILTI rivet tool, the RT6A22. Now the RT6 is another addition to our 22-volt battery platform. The tool is ideal for a wide range of applications, covering industrial and installation jobs that require blind rivets or pop rivets from 3/32 of an inch to 3/16 of an inch in diameters. So rivets are actually very versatile and are used for a myriad of applications, and they are an effective way to fasten different materials together, including metal, wood, or composite sheets. Now the top applications include manufacturing finished metal products or any fabrication work which includes metal. Second would be metal structures or prefab buildings. And any job related to metal building and roofing construction is also an interesting application for rivets. At the same time, these are very widely used for HVAC systems as well. Now, let's talk about the RT6A22. Now, this tool is very portable and it has the ability to install rivets almost instantly and virtually effortlessly, which helps you improve productivity and saves time. Now, the tool comes with 4 nose pieces. Now, each of these 4 nose pieces correspond to the 4 sizes: 3/32 of an inch, 1/8 of an inch, 5/32 of an inch, and 3/16 of an inch. So, depending upon the size that you're riveting, you have the nose piece that comes along with the tool. Now, the tool also has a pin collector. Now, this pin collector can collect all the mandrels after installation, and it can hold up to 200 to 220 mandrels. So it helps you keep your job area clean. Now, let's focus on the nose of the tool. So inside the nose, we have the wear parts. These wear parts are the jaws, and then we have the pusher and the spring. Now, the jaws that we have inside the tool are actually very sturdy, and if the tool is properly maintained and it is properly greased at regular intervals, these jaws can actually last up to 100,000 rivet applications. But in case if you want to change any of the jaws, or if you want to change the pusher, we have these available. You can buy these from HILTI, and we have YouTube videos online which you can actually refer on how to dismantle the nose and change all these repair parts. Let's talk about the key features of the RT6. So the RT6 actually is a very lightweight tool, and it has an excellent ergonomic design, which helps you install rivets quite effortlessly. At the same time, as we talked about earlier, the tool is supported by the 22-volt battery platform, and with a fully charged 2.6 amp battery, you can actually install up to 700 rivets. We also talked about the pin collector, which collects up to 220 mandrels, and it helps you keep your job area clean. And finally, the rivet tool RT6 is also backed by HILTI's 22-1 service offerings and has an option of being added to the HILTI tool fleet management services. So now let's go through how easy it is to install rivets using the RT6. We need a pre-drilled hole through the surfaces that we want to fasten using a rivet. For that, I use a HILTI SF2H drill along with HILTI HSS bits. For installing the rivets, we simply place the rivet in the pre-drilled hole, slide the mandrel through the nose of the RT6, and pull the trigger, and it's done. In closing, the HILTI RT6 will help increase productivity and efficiency if your job requires rivet fastening. It is a lightweight and ergonomically designed and helps you install rivets up to 3/16 of an inch for both aluminium as well as steel or stainless steel rivets with minimal effort and time. It has sturdy wear parts and a brushless motor, which makes it a very durable tool. And finally, it is backed by the HILTI 22-1, and it's available on HILTI Fleet.